Welcome to this sneak peek at Write with Claire, a completely new way of doing content management, authoring and publishing, running completely in any modern browser, backed by Google Drive and Google Docs. So this is the Write with Claire homepage where you can access the different tools, and in this sneak peek I'm gonna quickly demo the main project management UI. So here we are in the main UI. When I log in, I is presented with certain action items. For example, I can see I have a new message, I have some broken links in some of my content, I have topics pending review, I have end user comments that I need to review, and I have some unresolved comments in my Google Docs, and I have a data schema issue to take care of. So, but first let's have a look what you can do with this tool. Let's go to the home page, and this is where you can access different things. If I go back, this is kind of how it would look like when you first come to this tool. Then you can open up the left pane, and you can choose from these different tools to the left. Actually, if I want to make it more fun, I can go and select a colorful theme, and it's going to look like that. But let's be more conservative here and choose the square theme. So what can you do here? You can go to, for example, all your projects and start working with your current project, or you can create a new project. There are three kinds of content supported. You can author in Google Docs, or you can author in HTML or data. Everything is happening in the browser. You don't need to download any software to your PC. You can author manage your content on any of the platforms, you name it, phones, tablets, iPads, Macintoshes, your regular PC. So, and then when you have a project, let's go to the project overview over here. Actually, I can get a quick, I have a dashboard like I have. This will give me all projects where I have broken links. I can view all projects that have unresolved comments from reviewers, etc., etc. And that's one way of using the Write with Claire, is to just manage your content, see where you have your comments, see where you have issues. But it's also a publishing engine, so I can, if we take a project like, let's go to all my projects here, and I have here a simple test project. Let's just view that one. I get also analysis for just one project, right? I can look at all broken links, etc., etc. here. But then I can use these different support files, and I can publish content from this project. So there are a few support files that's worth mentioning here. We have variable support for creating multiple versions of an output. We have a table of contents file that controls what goes into a published output. I have style sheets, I have things called master topics and master pages, and I have targets, and I have CSS style sheets. A target is kind of one of the more important ones. If we look at it, it has a lot of different settings for controlling what you should publish. So in this case, I want to generate a Gbook, which is a new kind of Google Drive backed ebook, completely designed in HTML and CSS, and runs in any of the browsers, fully flexible. And I have all kinds of settings here. This Gbook supports end user comments and ratings of pages, and it has simple analytics like page views and search phrases not found, etc. So let's have a look here in output. This is a list of everything that has been published from this project, and let's look at this output details here. And here I have, this is the preview I want to look at. So open up in a new tab. So this is actually the ebook. It's a searchable mini website where I can have end user comments. This is a TOC, and it runs in any browser. I can log in and add comments and rate topics, etc. But back quickly to the Write with Claire UI. So let's have a look at what are other things you have here. I can work also on non-project files that are topics that are, or documents that are not part of any project. So I can just manage my Google Drive with Write with Claire. And I have, as I already mentioned, I have all kinds of analysis of my content with broken links, etc. So that was kind of a quick sneak peek into the main UI of Write with Claire.